how to print to PrimoPDF, you're going to go to the big R, go to Print, change your printer to PrimoPDF, then select the view sheets that you want by checking that box and going to Select, and then you'll check whatever sheets that you want to print. Make sure they have a check mark. As soon as you select all the sheets that you do want to print, hit OK. You will always hit No. And then you need to set up the document size. So 99% of the time we will use 11 by 17, but if you have a sheet a different size, we'll select that size here. Hit OK. And then your last step is to combine multiple selected view sheets into a single file, and hit OK. Hit OK. Create PDF, and then save that PDF where you would like to. So project 1, and then this is my A101 sheet. Hit save, and then it will open it up for you.